Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I'm an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. If you'd like to know more about my knitwear designs, please check in the description below, and there you will find a link to my Ravelry page where you can see all of the patterns I have available for you to get and knit up for yourself. Also in the description below, you will find a link to the Watch Barbara Knits Facebook group. We'd love to have you come over and join us so we can continue the conversations that we start here on the YouTube channel. And today, you'll definitely want to check out the links because we have a KnitCrate unboxing, and there will be links to all the information on KnitCrate as well as a giveaway. I will be giving away whatever it is I open in here, and there will be a link to the Rafflecopter. It's how you enter. I'll talk about that more after the unboxing, and I will talk about KnitCrate as a subscription service after the unboxing. I want to get to the unboxing. I'm saying the word unboxing a lot. Quickly, I do want to mention I only have one box. I don't know if I'm going to receive another one. Sometimes I receive two. I do remember getting an email about the fact that they've actually sold out of their sock ones. So it may be that I only got one, but I didn't want to wait too late to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And if I get another one, I might have to do a second one. So here we go, KnitCrate. Okay, luckily there's only one piece of tape to cut open. Of course I can bungle it because I'm horrible at opening things up. So, here we go. Keep my eyes shut. Y'all get to see it first. Oh, what was that? Ooh, there's something in there. Ooh, what does this say? This is new. This crate and the March 2019 crate both featured a single skein of luxury yarn, plus extras and sometimes bonus patterns. Although this is the last single skein crate we have planned for 2019, we'd like to get your feedback on these crates so we can plan for 2020. Can you take a moment and fill out our survey? Okay, so, and that is, there have been comments in the description below when I unboxed a single skein crate that people were like, we're used to getting two and they weren't real sure about it. So they have a survey here for y'all to check out, and I'm going to leave this, and I'll put this link in the description below so that you can give feedback on how you feel about the single skein. That was not easy to say. So let's look at the yarn. I just want to eat this up. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so bright and happy and summery and springy, or whatever you want to call it. Look at this color. It's like, oh, it's not a sunset because it goes more pink. It's pink and yellow with a little bit of the oranges in there. So it's really not a sunset. I don't even know what this looks like, but it's so happy. It's such a happy color. So this is the Knitology. So this is the membership subscription, not the sock. So as I thought, possibly the sock was just this is Knitology Cozy Sock. So that is the yarn. Colorway is Citrus Squeeze. Okay, so I can see lemons and pink grapefruit and oranges, or satsumas. I love the word satsuma. So this is 75% superwash merino wool, 15% nylon, 10% cashmere. Fingering weight, 439 yards. You know what? Maybe this is the sock crate. I just flat out don't know. I will do a real research and find out, and I'll probably put in, like, you know how I put my silly little notations on the screen as to which specific crate it is I just opened. And what I do, I don't know if y'all have ever looked at it, in the description below, they always do a blog post on each of their packages. So I'll put the information below, but also figure out what it is exactly I received. This is really soft. You know, it's a merino cashmere nylon, a little bit more nylon, a little bit less merino. It's really, really soft. Okay, let's see. We have bonus stuff. We have a beautiful stitch marker. Let me turn it upside down. Isn't that helpful for y'all? No. It's from Exchanging Fire. And I'm guessing that's a company that makes stitch markers. But there we go. It's a fixed one that you can see here. Get my face out of there. It wants to focus on my face. And that's exchangingfire.com. It's a cute little stitch marker. And then we've got tiny Ladybug Buttons. Oh my goodness, how cute are those? Little tiny ladybugs. I actually have a good friend who would just adore these little tiny Ladybug Buttons. I know some people really like ladybugs. These are super cute. I can just imagine these on a little girl's garment, but actually I like the idea of buttons as a decorative feature. Can you imagine like a hat that just has like 2 or 3 of these on the side and people be like, oh, you got a bug on you. Oh, that's supposed to be there. So tiny little bug stitch mark, not stitch markers, buttons, bug buttons. And let's see here, the booklet. I am still absolutely loving the booklet that we get it. This is the KnitCrate inspiration for May. And ooh, theme peek for next month. And oh, calico. Look at those colors. We're definitely going from something super, super bright to something very romantic. And it looks like it's going to be like vintagey style colors. Oh, so pretty. And so this is Sunshine on a Cloudy Day. This month's membership crate color. Okay, so I don't have to go and do it. This is the membership crate. Citrus Squeeze is a reminder of the brightest summer days, inspired by citrus fruits, lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. I nailed it. This colorway is sure to bring some warmth into your stash. And it says that it's worth $30 if it was retail. And as always, what it is the patterns are digital online and you can get them in the KnitCrate website. And this theme was farmer's market. So oranges, citrus. And then the sock yarn one, I'm not going to tell you about. Because if I might happen to get it, I want it to be a surprise when I open it up. Otherwise, you're going to have to Google it and see if someone else got the sock crate. Okay. Ooh, look, pattern. Look at those fabulous socks. I love the little texture that she's got going on there, and it works really well in this variegated. That kind of surprises me, but it does. It really makes, you can still see it. I'm guessing there's twisted stitches involved. Maybe not. Yep, through the back loop. They're definitely, the way that you're getting this to pop out and still seeing the texture despite of the variegation is twisted stitches. Really nice. We've got the instructions. We've got charts. I just flipped that real quick. And then we also have Crochet Socks. So that is a fabulous set of instructions. Let's see the designer. The crochet is Lilia Vanini, and the knit ones are Sarah Jordan. So 2 awesome designers made you beautiful pieces. And then I'm not going to show you the sock one. So Sarah Jordan is Knitwit Designs. She says she has a love of texture and simplicity, and you can really see that. She's also got there's this really cool, you can see this is the same colorway, so you can see it in a cowl too. And then Lilia Craft Party is the name of the crochet designer, and she was born in Peru but now lives in Venice. I'm so jealous. That is crazy. And then there's a pop-up. Now, this is one of the things that is involved in KnitCrate membership. When you're a member, you have access to their website. And the new thing they've been doing this year is the pop-up shops where you can buy special artisan yarns that they can't really do in the volume they need for the crates, but it still allows them to feature independent dyers and yarns. And so it's yarn from Apple Tree Knits. And let me show you, these are the patterns and colors, so that is really nice. So if you become a member, you can go and shop in that. Very cool. And Apple Tree Knits, Apple Tree Knits is the yarn that I use for my Pattern Wrong lever that just came out with the yarn truck sock club, well, pattern yarn clubby thing. So that is cool. And then looking at this, with this lovely variegation and its fingering weight, the pattern that immediately jumps to my mind of mine is the roller coaster cowl. I will have a picture of it so you can see it. So if you would like a chance to win this lovely KnitCrate package, you need to use the Rafflecopter link in the description below, and that is how you enter. And whoever wins it, I will also gift them a copy of the roller coaster cowl if they would like it, so they could knit this beautiful, yummy, citrusy yarn in that. And so you've got the yarn and the really funny bug stitch markers from Dress It Up, and a lovely stitch marker from Exchanging Fire. I'm going to stitch all this back in here, and don't forget to check out the survey. Now, real quick, I mentioned a little bit about it, but KnitCrate is a subscription box where you get essentially a present to yourself every month of yarn. And you sign up, and there's the membership crate, which is what we just opened, and there's also a sock crate, which is specifically sock yarns and sock patterns, I would assume. And so you just subscribe to it, and I think they have 3 and 6 month subscriptions. If you would like to try it out for the first time, you can use my discount code, which is DUCK20, D-U-C-K, the number 2, the number 0, and that will get you a 20% discount on your first month. If you do the 3 or the 6 month, there's already discounts built into the multi-month ones, so I don't know that it works on that. In what I talked about, the pop-up shops, you can also have access to the, they have like a behind the scenes membership shopping place where they have interesting notions and different yarns. And if you like decide you want to make something bigger with the yarn you have, even they have extra skeins, you can buy more skeins of the yarn you received. So it's really, it's more than just the subscription crate, but you know, the subscription crate's the best part because it's like having your birthday every single month. Now, circling back one more time to Rafflecopter. Rafflecopter is the service that I use to ensure that everyone has an equal chance to receive the package, and I will select a winner, and literally I just have to push a button that says pick a random winner. I don't get to see anything about it, and I use Rafflecopter because there are a lot of different laws in a lot of different countries about collecting and storing people's personal information like email addresses. And so I would rather not have to deal with any of that because I really don't know all the laws in all the countries, and Rafflecopter handles that part. I never have your email address unless you are the winner. All the rest of them, it's on Rafflecopter and they make it go away. So you just commenting on this video is not NOT going to enter you for your chance. You have to enter yourself through the Rafflecopter. There will also be a link in the description below to, I think it was last March, where I did a screen grab walkthrough of how to use Rafflecopter if you're confused at all about how to use it. So that was the unboxing for this month. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to show it off one more time. Look how it just looks so yummy. Oh, I should mention the Rafflecopter. I usually have it go for 2 weeks. So it's available to enter until May 30th, 2019. If it is past May 30th, 2019, the link will not work for you. So I'm gonna fold it all back up nice and neat, put it in its little box, and now it is ready and waiting for one of y'all. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, click that like button, and if you would like to be notified when I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel and select notifications. Thank you so much.